Dear Professor, I would like to submit my homework 6 number 5 about write C++ language to control LCD by keypad. So we need three hardware, one keypad, one Arduino, and one LCD. First I will explain my code. The code we need to enter the LCD library and int keypad setting is rows 4 close 4. And next we need to define keypad by key layout 1, 2, 3, A. Same hardware 1, 2, 3. Next, the different row and close pins is row pins is 6 to 9 and close pins is 5 to 2. And next is the object of create a keypad object. Keypad object is row pins, close pins, and rows close. And next, the setup function is initialize LCD and turn on backlight. The loop function is get the passkey and if. We use if language to if a key is placed and the LCD will show which one we place. Next, I will show the video. First, same code and start 1 5 0. Okay, and hardware is upload. Okay, keypad 1, 2, 3, 8, 6, 5, 4, 7, 8, 9. Okay. And this is all my introduction about write C++ language to control LCD by keypad. Thanks for watching.